Hey there MacPuff fans, I've got your craving sorted. So guys, welcome back to Coder's Cookbook. So today we are going to make an amazing recipe of McPuffs, or some of you might call it McDonald's Pizza McPuff. So let's get started. Here in a bowl, we will take 1 cup refined wheat flour. To this, we are going to add 1 tablespoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. And now we'll knead a soft dough. We will knead the dough gently till it becomes soft and sticky. And if you have yet not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. And see, our dough is now almost ready. Now we can check whether our dough is perfectly knead or not by just doing this test. Look at it. It's coming back. Also, you can just stretch the dough like this and see. If it's coming like this, that means your dough is ready. Now let's keep it aside for at least 30 minutes and quickly check the ingredients for our filling. Here I have taken 1 small onion chopped, 1 capsicum chopped, half bell pepper chopped, a handful of boiled peas and half cup boiled sweet corn, and 1 green chili finely chopped. Also, I've taken here 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Here I'm taking Viva pasta and pizza sauce, hot and sweet Maggi sauce, and marinara sauce of Viva. So for seasoning, I am taking oregano seasoning and few chili flakes. Also, we'll add cheese and butter to the mix. So to make the filling, we'll take a tablespoon of butter in a pan. To this, I'll add 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic, saute it a bit, and then we'll add finely chopped green chilies. Now we will add finely chopped onion to the mix. Add chopped capsicum to it, then bell pepper, and then peas and corn. Note that here you can add veggies of your choice, but I am adding those veggies which will give it a flavor which will be close to McDonald's Pizza McPuff. Now we will add 3 tablespoons of Viva pasta and pizza sauce. You can add any pasta and pizza sauce, but to get the flavor that is similar to McDonald's, use this. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of Maggi hot and sweet sauce. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of marinara sauce. You may also add red chili sauce if you want to make it a little bit more spicy. We will give it a good mix and then we'll add the seasoning to it. Time for some chili flakes. One important tip here is the size of veggies matter a lot in the mix. It should be smaller like these. And that's why I have used finely chopped onion, capsicum and bell pepper to add to the mix. So make sure whatever veggies you are using, finely chop them. And now we will add some grated cheese to the mix. Look at it guys, the filling is looking so yummy. It's looking colorful and cheesy. But don't forget, we have to wait. We don't have to eat it right away. We have to just make the thin sheets and fill this filling into it to make the McPuff. So let's get started. I'll just roll the dough first on the flour and then we'll take a small portion of it to make the rectangular thin sheets. Press the dough gently till it becomes little transparent. Now I will cut the sides to make rectangular sheets. And now let's fill the sheet with the mix. And once we will add the mix, we will fold our rectangular sheet. Here I am applying water on the edges so that it closes perfectly, just like this. And now with the help of a fork, I will lock the edges so that the filling does not come out. Also, the authentic McDonald's McPuff are deep fried. But here I am going to just brush the oil and bake my McPuffs. you can totally use this recipe and then fry your McPuffs. But if you are looking for a healthier version like I did, so it's better baked than deep fried. And now I'm going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. This temperature may vary according to your ovens, so set accordingly. Also, if you are frying it, fry it in low-medium flame so that it gets completely cooked from inside out. And our yummy McDonald's Pizza McPuff are ready. If you like this recipe, do share it with your friends and family. And if you make this recipe, then do tag us on our Insta handle. Thanks for watching guys, and see you in next video.